beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be me in the hair salon. As a lot of you probably don't know, while I was gone, I damaged my hair really bad, so now I have to get it cut, and I'm going to be pretty much like starting all over again. And I'm going to on my channel, I'm gonna continue the 12 months of natural, but I'm gonna actually be repairing my hair and trying to get it back to its natural state. So that is what I'm gonna be doing for the course of 12 months. Every month I'm gonna come and check in and tell you guys what I've been doing, or what type of things I've implemented in my regimen, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But today I'm gonna get my hair cut. And so right now I'm wearing this ugly hat to work, and I've already like did a hot oil treatment on my hair. So that's why I have this plastic cap on. I have a hot oil treatment in my hair currently right now. And this is the length of my hair currently. So you guys can see where I'm starting. And if you want to get a better view of it, go to some of my old videos and you'll be able to see exactly where my hair was at before. But this is currently where my hair is in its natural state. It looks shorter, but, and you guys see all the damage on the ends I have there. My ends are tore up. So this is what I'm working with right now. Okay, so one of the other stylists here at the salon that I'm at, she is going to give me a haircut, wash, blow dry, and flat iron my hair. So I'm gonna start over, guys. And I do want to get my hair back to natural, or back to its healthy state. So I'm willing to cut the dead hair off and make sure that I can start back getting it healthy. So those of you that are having issues with your hair breaking off and stuff like that, you guys can take some of my tips and use it for your hair, and we can just do this thing together, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and rock this today, and I'm gonna take you guys on a journey with me for while I get my hair done. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the notification game. All right, so I'll see you guys at the salon. Bye. All right, guys, so I'm at the hair salon now, and she's just gonna give me a cut just to kind of take off some of the hair before we get started. Yeah, I always kind of had issues with my hair in the middle. It always breaks off there for whatever reason.
Like a nerve spot?
Yeah, it's just always been like that, even when it was, you know, healthy.
It's healthy. So massage it.
Yeah.
To stimulate the scalp.
Right. Okay, so this is where she begins to cut. She gives me a cut just so she's not deep conditioning all of my hair, and it's going to be getting cut anyway. So she just gave me a cut off a few inches. And then she's proceeding here with shampooing, and then she's going to deep condition my hair, and then she's going to later set me under the dryer. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, if you're on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Jus'Marie _hair studio. So here is where she sets me under the dryer, and I have that plastic cap on because she has the deep conditioning product on my hair, and that dryer just helps to penetrate that deep conditioning treatment further into my hair shaft. After that, she dries my hair, and then after she blow dries my hair, then she's gonna give me a bigger cut where she's gonna cut off more, and then she'll flat iron my hair from there. Because of copyright infringement and all of that stuff, I wasn't able to record or actually allow you guys to hear what we were talking about, because she had music and stuff playing in the background in her salon. So but I was just telling her that I don't know where I went wrong as far as my hair, but actually I do know where I went wrong. I was not taking care of my hair. I was just slapping a wig on my head every day and not really giving my hair any type of TLC. I had the color on top of my hair, and I was not treating my hair at all. And as stylists, and if any of you guys are out there are stylists, you know that there are times that when we get so busy in the salon and we get tied up taking care of everybody else that we fall to the wayside. And that's pretty much what happened with me. So now I'm paying for the consequences and have to start over with my hair. And actually, really, she could have cut off more than what she did cut. She was actually being a bit generous cutting that. Ear clips? Where'd you get those from?
From Amazon.
Get out of here. Okay, I'm tripping about these, y'all. This is cool. Okay.
I'm old school.
Funniest thing ever. So we was talking about those ear protectors that she put on my ears. I had never seen anything like that. But she was telling me about back in the day how they would use wooden spoons and they would put that on the ears to prevent people from getting burnt and stuff from the hot tools. If there is some old school hairstylist that follows me on YouTube or have looked at this video, please comment in the comment section. I'm an old school hairstylist, because I ain't never heard of wooden spoons. And so comment that in the comment section for me, okay? I want you guys to please learn from me, and do not allow your hair to be neglected underneath your weaves and your wigs. Make sure you are taking complete care of your hair. Make sure you're on top of your deep condition treatments, the trims, keeping it moisturized, all of the above. Make sure you take care of it, because I don't want y'all to have damaged hair like me, okay? Let's all have some beautiful, growing, healthy, natural hair in 2019. If you're proud of your healthy, natural hair, I want you to leave that in the comment section. I am so proud of my natural hair. All right, so I am finished. Oh my God, I love my hair. Yes. She hooked me up, y'all. She hooked me up. I was kind of worried at first because, you know, being a stylist, you be kind of afraid to let other people do your hair, you know, because most stylists are very picky, but she killed it. Yes, she did. So I am going to start doing my videos for my natural hair starting March. And I would just, you know, do my videos showing what my daily routine is. And we're going to get my hair growing back. And we're going to get it good. So, yes. Oh, I love this so much, y'all. I just love it. It's so light. And when you take off that hair hat, the weave and the wigs and stuff, it feels good to just do this. Simple things like that just excite me right now. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are interested in seeing my videos about me growing my natural hair and getting it back to its healthy, natural self, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you lovelies next time. All right, bye, peace.